IGP News, Mima Obibia Aquaba, Ahadia, latest and hot news and qua Aremeyaw Bremo. And so we now subscribe here. Bomodia say over subscribe to the channel. Gaby say over click a subscribe button. Now what barely notification. We answer video for we have uploaded. No. Also what's a Gabby. I feel we are now like video. Give us a thumbs up. Now share my offer for us now when you be here. Now who and someone else also will Ghana Memoano. I feel you bura ye and some other toy upon so yinti a yes, some come here and cost yinti Sansima Baba today. Yinti.
Jubilee House no mucho den omo bu mine. E man den omo bu.
Say ni ama bekoyi.
E be say 8 years we man ben omo bu.
To 8 years e might be omo.
Shedi omo di ye okunu ni anyina, o say omo bu bi. Ka wo bu so kan e. No.
Pu.
Aha, o say omo bu mine. E yampa. Omo bu mine no. Ampa, they will carry ampa. Bubu, also Omubu mine.
Miss Omubu.
Yes, they've broken it.
I'm not talking about breaking.
They are stealing. Omubu, they are stealing. They all can say. These are thieves.
Oh no, Gabby.
They can take with. Let me tell you. The list, look. The list is no, Mpacho.
You can say
you can disassociate yourself and UTV. Me na maker.
Me Pacho.
Oh, I have evidence. Now evidence the baby I can who ana. Me Pacho. Unti ha na see ambulance. Ambulance I turn we be at 10 cedi cry. You call repair 50 cedi. The Pacho there we on. Listen. I want you to know something, yeah? Everybody in the Jubilee House.
Anything.
Starting from Nana Akufo Addo to all the presidential staffers, I'm giving you a job. And the job is simple. 1 or 3 months now, Canon. If you know what is good for you, go and renovate in Nsawan. No. Go and renovate in Nsawan because that is where you spend the rest of your life. Once that project now, move forget it. Move fast, Kano. Scanner where you are. Move fanko in Nsawan. Now move prepare. No facts. No. People are back behind bars for 2 weeks. For what?
Breathing. Akwa say adeno. Say government we ba so na we aye nti adena ko I say every 4 years bia no ye hu bibisa me be say me bisa bulldog say enkrofo no wo mo petition no omo de ko Flagstaff House on omo person omo de ko share president in some direct so omo person omo ne kasa ana so omo ko deliver eye de how omo amano no omo akọ. I want to know. And almost reason they call a president in there.
Okay, so before I say anything, I say free the citizens, especially Madame Fubiwom, deportee, Charlie, stay strong, yeah, or East Legon police stations, Charlie, stay strong, yeah, soon you come home.
Or them.
Or them. So I'm not part of the group
parts.
Oh, you know, I've been protesting and as I sit here I'm protesting. Okay. I don't have to walk the streets to protest. Because anything I say for all of us.
For all of us.
Matnaha aka men's good I say momu chimiko tumu. You know, but media over to me to madrin to me chimadrin.
Okay.
Nti ebe kasa ni ebe kasotia, ebe kasasa. And until omo angus omo ewu ya no ambanu we dane
ombeti en kadebia.
Yes.
Okay.
Now me nim say ubusa say omo di
because aka 2 months aye koto aba.
Yes.
Just 2 months aye koto aba.
Yes.
Enti protest now omo ye no.
Yes.
Is this say NDC for na ye protest say the distracting aba ne keke.
Oh, I mean, so NDC for cry, yes, it's to their disadvantage because a present government will declare state of emergency.
Okay.
Or because elections no are too asheda.
Okay.
It will not be in their favor. Because NDC for are your mother, where you used no more your money.
Where you?
I think say, yeah, Becca no career. Aha, yet no. Say Becca will be a president to her. Your father.
Okay, because it's true.
Father Nebeka say,
You are watching Juicy News on YouTube.
Inti bibia be papa, father. Bibi su koye bonia, father. So jitum.
Okay.
Leadership. What you say? So in Crawford say, omu person omu demonstrate kon president. I don't see the problem. Yen ni ha na president we are Nana Akufo Addo. Onam Ghana nyina no only message bia o over 8 years ago only message bia no pacho me koso asre mun try me share mun try anu pe no be kan ye onam bebia onum kalipo onam ha o bebia o mami ma example
me too
share Bawumia ni campaign oye
vice
yes one baby omuninam
he
omuninam obi afie omuninam o say Charlie God o say yemfa stianu man omu yes slogan gra dream bi animu me ba o truck driver any truck mate one na control o car ni so
truck driver any truck mate
yeah
truck driver
there be
mate
ha
so driver and driver.
Oh, drive keke. Mate na remote control. Jina tuwa obi besi ye jisika we onim.
And too much say mate na Bawumia yen.
I see him fast here, man. All I'm trying to say is say when politicians are coming into power, obi ko wash obi ko di banku, obi ko ye afrata.
Obi omu nyina na omo ye.
Thank you. So I'm saying say to me yes sir the time I will pay power no uba power na sem aba say ye ba ofia o see mema ba ofia.
Oh okay,
good. What is the sense in there? First and foremost, the Jubilee House does not belong to anybody. It belongs to all of us.
But there are measures there.
Yeah,
there are securities there.
Did the people say they were going to omuko send bibi? Yes. Means na enforce obi
but eventually obi to police car tow car key
on the nupako no to police car key wa violate
okay
emrano ni ndili
okay
I'll sit here and shield that person. Now they are also all to galamsey. You see look, this whole world there the whole thing is a scam. Obi to galamsey yanko reporting nunti enfa no godina court nti onu bi oni eboni or say so obi ewu we ja atimota forest na amani ni ma yanka ho hwe omu ni ma no yanchi omu nko baby ase yanka hwe baby fufu ga yefa bibi posthumous trial and a case.
You are watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news all time. You are watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news all time.
What lawyer my name? Too much. No. Inti Crawford say omu person omu machiko Jubilee House ha. Asembe. Jubilee House omu to den omu ye wo.
Omu bu mine.
E man den omu bu.
Say ni ama bekoyi.
E be say 8 years we man ben omu bu.
To 8 years it might be omu.
She di omu di ye okunu ni enyina. O say omu bu bi. Ka o bu so kan e. No.
Epu.
Aha. O say omu bu mine. Eyampa. Omu bubu mine no. Ampa, they will carry ampa. Omu bubu mine. O say omu bu mine no.
Miss omu bu.
Yes, they've broken it.
I'm not talking about breaking.
They are stealing. Omu bu. They are stealing. They all can what you say. These are thieves.
No, they
can take with. Let me tell you. The list. No, the list is no. Mpacho.
You can say
you can disassociate yourself and UTV. Me na maker.
Me pacho.
Oh, I have evidence. Na evidence the baby I can who ana. Me pacho. Unti ha na see ambulance. Ambulance I turn no be at 10 cedi cry. You call repair no 50 cedi. Na kan fa to ambulance driving kan. So yes still na dey. Omo try no pomu be farming court. Na court dey so money me akosa anti we anya news. Nsawan na me pese me ko enye court.
Untumi nko Nsawan.
Enti dey me pache on say na oka no. Omu bu man no.
There be o. Dey make so omu bu man o. just like me who said they make it
can minti because the enemy tianu now
there be ye kase omu bumma here like omu ye adwuma ma timemufu ono ye omu ye adwuma ama
UTV ye nyina ye adwuma wa ye what grievances
of course
ye see ye pese ye nantimbe gina enima nye protest say father ye nim say o sika ni ye ba nyoma so antifa bika father see okofre police na yen ko gina traffic light na wo ha no na yen that does it make sense to you?
So that is how you say it?
Yes, they should be allowed to meet the president. I'm saying today as we speak, Bawumia is everywhere campaigning. I just saw the running mate NAPO
do you think this protest, the timing is right? Timing no,
there's no time better than this.
And you're right.
Timing no.
What is wrong with that? Listen.
After just few days
we are protesting till the ballot box. That's the biggest protest you can. All I'm trying to say is let's do it peacefully.
But peacefully, yes, I know me.
Mebo, unse usually no man Akufo bebre debi pie wo baby a akasa bema ntawa ba. You understand what I'm saying? So these things are meant to. You see, unse ye kasa nyina media ye me ya wo asem ni mo ena the court mimi a judge asem we foolish case. Memo mu hina kofi.
Me say na ye foolish case now.
Because omo chinkofo
so ye bibi asana.
That's what I'm saying. Say, okay, what made them go out there to do what they did? What you say?
Okay.
Obiani in individual case because clearly the guy who went for the kino meaning the scene so and we are wrong. No, we're wrong. Apart from onono me who obi a waye bibia biom
omo blocky road no be yare kra person in the hospital no mama kwai. So
same way omo obi gina also yare and omo mani pako no ko
say omo blocky 37 enim ho. So
yes, so omo block
the hospital nipa na ambulance nefa
there was an instance where ambulance e ba be sing
there was an instance a car ewure mu obi yare dem but omo person na nefa.
Okay, so eno so your offense me boa Matthias here no problem. I am not here to shield anybody who is offended. Breach of public. What you say? Now, Kwafano almost saying so no Sudan no ayedi yomu.
No na me bisa.
Utias, ujinwa.
Utias.
Utias enso awon
in Kwafano meet the can say enti me bisa say mo court no there say ye fa wa say mo nko a omu hu de ekoso ana.
Eti wo pese omo nko ho nko chinkrofo no for omo nko court ana.
Because the ekoso no police so omo the ekoso forest reserves. There have been countless of reports. Countless on galamsey. The fourth estate, I mean the media. Oma bubon for the small boys no mugu Jubilee House. Hey! Mami Cho, I'm telling them today, me come our way and way. Dimpacho there, way on. Listen, I want you to know something, yeah? Everybody in the Jubilee House. Starting from Akufo Addo to all the presidential staffers, I'm giving you a job. And the job is simple. 1 or 3 months now, Canon. If you know what is good for you, go and renovate in Nsawan. No. Go and renovate in Nsawan because that is where you spend the rest of your life. Once that project now, move forget it. Move fast, Kano. Scanner mo ewiano. Move fanko in Nsawan. Na move prepare. No facts. No. People are back behind bars for 2 weeks. For what?
Breathing.
I'm breathing in.
MC Eboa.
Me landi here. Me hangi too much. I'm so last project. Last project. I can't 3 months. I promise them. No. I'm promising them. They will go through the right process. They will go to court and they will be jailed.
So because he is jailing Akufo waiting.
Listen to what I'm telling you. Starting from the Yes, almost economic BB team.
Yeah, we there.
Me breathe.
Ah.
Bawumia na head of starting.
Hey,
Charlie.
Ah.
Nana Akufo Addo.
Yeah, boy, uncle. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy.
Me pay life. Me ni scam the cocoa.
Listen, he will go through the right process.
No, it's okay. Yeah, boy.
Yes, darling.
Relaxing. Yeah, boy.
You're so cute. Empress, just say. Me who crash here? Me so bad. But I mean, I understand your grievances. And answer na medical kasana na omwa jibre ajia dajie Ako street so omo protested free the citizens no me momu ni na ayiko oma yade. I mean, and then me di traffic me back room no. I had to stay in the Legon traffic for more than an hour or so because now protesters no quite so police for ebo buying. Say one move to me Kwaku protest any idea, and I really commend them for that. Na Empress anka ye ka demonstration near yidia ye na ye democratic rights no see ye bet to me etu ye ho aguna abonten so na ye oye kire ana is that the word na yetumi atre ne enkoso yie ewo society mu ye ni na ye democratic right no na problem no it's not the fact that people went out to demonstrate. The problem as you say ye wa ye kantia ye mu bebrebu afu and say there was an arrest. Now the big point according to the police that got involved and they said some of the people demonstrating got involved in wrongful acts, i.e. conspiracy to commit crime, unlawful assembly, causing unlawful damage, offensive conduct, breach of public peace, assault on public officer. Entino enkrofo ewo mu a womo ayeboni ayede yachi omo. But you know, let me say me can same way kan say na makoka we no asem. The blame is that we acknowledge that mining, you feel mining and mining, I can say if I'm wrong, go being corrected me. But the mining and the selling of these products is what is holding our economy now. Mining here we protect your currency. And also can wa ebuaye ma ye import ye niema ye hie na. And to say be mining na ye no esu won faso. Minimum. The current government now have had so many years not to check and put proper regulations in place for these mining communities. Ensure as saying it's as a result of gold na ye to no ne huhrono na ye huhrono. And no say ensure no money yes I know.
The chemicals be and
I me person me trust me need juma or gold mines. But from the knowledge me hu ne nkrofo a me ni o makasa kakra no. The washing of the gold bearing sand no. Enu na ema ensure no. Chakosa. Enti mi busa me ho say this government didn't know that this will become a political point for another party to use against them. You sat there for so many years and you couldn't put in place proper systems for the filtration of this mining now. And so no, and to me, existing water bodies now. You sat down aloof. What shall my mining now would not make and I make an media mining idea. Yan to me can say yai. Now ye just say one more our communities no. Emrantia wo mu ye adwuma no e de adwuma bia ye bia e de mfasodie brekro na hu hia na mom enhyehyeye ende niema wo ho a wo se ye de to ho a enye den ensei kro no patro de ameka no to say that is the major problem we are having now. Into the current government MPP at Nasi, I shehain for all these years. I yen to me for proper systems and to place adequate water filtration. Ama ye to me at Tusa Godi, at the alpha process. I was a femu, no who na and to me affected water but much now. And you are telling me that you sat down and you didn't know all these years that your opponent will use this against you. And that is why they are beginning to sound very, very annoying. Because as a you want to make it look like oh, Empress, then they just me MPP.
Oh, there be.
But
oh, how the way that
was so when we started the Fix the Country campaign, make us say me MPP. But na me MPP ni enu say be you ade am party here na enye no. Mean to me can. Me jayo mean jaye na no enye obi
me ba baby say SMS.
Okay, busana me tio.
Say, your government.
Nya me government. Ye ni na ye government. Nye MPP na
that's how we join.
Me join saying. Then I say me join. Na we nim say me film na me film.
I say no one kind.
Enti me ka say nye obi.
Okay, bet me aba say
say me film na me film. E na say me wo mu. But ye tell say me wo mu kra na. Enu nkyerɛ sɛ niema enkoya na me hu bibia enya me ntumi nka pacho the American not to say that's not what it means. Okay. The fact that me join party B doesn't mean I've lost my sense of thinking. What am I say? And you know, the MPP government should have known that your opponent ebe use this against you, especially going to election year. So now that you come and then you try to make it look like a NDC for now or my kofa galamsey issue aba and it's making excuse me to say it looks very, very silly. It is so shallow because you can't tell me that you sat in power for 8 solid years and you didn't know that this huge problem, pandemic, you know, your opponent can use it against you. And so, as men in offices, you should have been bold enough as leaders to solve that problem, so that you don't give your opponent the card to use against you. And when they are talking about the then you try to make it look like a politics. It's like a game, and Ghanaians find that so insulting. How many years haven't we gone down this lane?
So do you think Chena Yachenko from Ebeha government?
Abai Emrawo. Yeshomuna swoma yebonia. Na ampatisenia obia okotu kaki eni nyemane so na boni na sese ye jeli omo aye.
So
emma no so exaka omo a ebia yehwem na ebia omasem no omo nye boni bia so yenya omo yede momo nko. But you see, Empress, you tell me say I find it very sickening when you talk about issues like this and MPP is blaming NDC and NDC is blaming MPP. We don't seem to find solution to any problems. Some time ago, this same galamsey issue came up, and a man, you started to say, yes, she excavators. You started to say, yes, what did that lead us as people? What did it lead us as people? Do you understand my point? Are we not sick? Are we not tired of these politicians taking us for a ride? We need to wake up as Ghanaians and smell the coffee and know, say, MPP, NDC, the same bus. Because I can tell you for a fact to say asemna ye ka galamsey you in as much as ye na ye acknowledge say none of these political parties and to me na ho and a long-term solution to this problem. I'm telling you, when NDC NDC cannot say they will stop galamsey. Mining communities don't say they will stop galamsey. They cannot, and I'm telling you this on national TV. None of them can pledge and say meba meja galamsey. Some time ago, MP before Kogache galamsey for so muja, and this for kasamon to my buy mama galamsey. What kind of nonsense is this?
Bravo.
No, but it's so frustrating. Say yet
nonsense.
Nonsense and ye did the attempt. Not just idea ye and sebe ye june who the machiasan. But the thing is that it becomes so frustrating for the average Ghanaian. Say, wake up every day. Your taxes. Yeah, Juma. These mining boys are yeah, Juma. Empress, put proper regulations in place and see if these guys will not work effectively. Because the gold, we need it as a country.
Uzizi your economy now, and I can tell you say me see gold in every economy no and the nice. So we can't just wake up and say my banning mining.
To me impande. By a bet me ye bet me.
No example Empress. Now say I'm a 2 coin, me call restaurant.
Call
me Kwaku didi.
Utu kwa okay.
Me call restaurant me Kwaku didi. Obi ma me to say me order
Mrs. Papa me.
Now me say me pay alcoholic. Now brandy o generation me say, madam, please can I see your ID? Obusa me ID. E check me age and son or serving me alcohol. By your diploma, you sorry I say celebrities ya banning mo mamu endorse alcohol. What is the long-term solution to the problem that the youth ye consuming alcohol? And ne akola 10 years e betumi asuma na mana kwa peteshi joint akota peteshi abefie. We don't have a long-term solution to any problem in this country. How do we just get up and say, yeah, sorry, I say, you're mining? Do you know what mining does for this country? Do you know? Product no more mining go. Do you know what it does for this country? What we should be pushing for is that these leaders need to stand up and put in place proper regulation so that we can do the mining well.
Speak tree.
Yemfa enhyehyeye entukwan mu yie sene ye be ya mining na ye aso mine no eho hia na emom yentumi so ntena se ma mining no ensey yensuo sebe enkofa yarewa emre enti yemfa hyehyeye yemfa sikan hyesa enye sikan nkwa na ye tu akọ ye tu sikan nkwa yemfa bin shem.
Okay.
Let's build the thing well because mining, I can tell you for a fact, Empress, watch here show you. Gold, Empress who pay gold, financing who call GH1. We see we show gold. Gold ni yen, gold ni yen yawe, yen tua, yen to. It is essential. Yen here as on mine. Enti yen for proper regulations and to kwem. Na yen yeding. Yen ye. Yen to me sorry nka say obi be ka say me ba ni we si to abama me ba me mama ye. We si to abama na boys na say be omo go nra mu ho na. Wo mu ye adwuma no. Wo ba ni age adwuma na fi wo sem na omo mbedi den. Omo meye den na se bi omo no omo tu bataba enkran ha na am robbery ni niam akoso ye betumi atena ha. We cannot just wake up and say, and you see the NDC MPP conversation, say, you know, the youth or people you are dealing with now, it's not like 20 years ago. These people are bold, they are liberated, they are thinking. So we will challenge you. You understand? So bring us solutions to problems. Don't come and politicize this issue and make it look like Sebio, Sebi, we don't know our left to our right. They should take us serious, Kakra. You don't take people for granted like that. And na amount for akuma eyeden ekuru. Enti ye besre empanifo. Me kasana mafumo bia onfancheme. But the truth is that our leaders need to bring us long-term solutions to the vital problems yewo kroma. Enye de bia ye ba ye be ni say ye ba ni say batoba o mehwe na ets aso na afei ukọ bedwam ne yakoka wanima na wamuna
yo etifo we ensema ababeto ye proso because GC News so and our no so when you subscribe we are omodi say we subscribe to a channel sanse hadie latest and hot news in kwa enamede promo after we are like video give us a thumbs up na fi share my offer so na when you be here na wo hu ensema ekoso ewo Ghana memo ha also with me at share what you have for years and so we now ewo comment box ni mo in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.